Hey guys, welcome back to the Android Kenya channel. Today I have a very exciting device that we are going to unbox and look at. It's this one here. This is the Infinix Note 7. Now, we have seen so many of the Infinix Note devices so far. We've had some that have been under the Android One program, others that have come with Infinix's XOS. In fact, the very first time I experienced XOS was on an Infinix Note device like the one in front of me, because previously I don't think we used to have a name for that. Now it's come from far, and the one thing that has been consistent with this Note series from Infinix is the high endurance. These devices are usually known for guaranteeing users at least 2 days of battery longevity, and that's what we've known them for since the very start. On Infinix just had the Note and the Hot series. I know it's expanded its focus, but the Note series still lives on, and we are going to have a look at what we get inside the latest member of that series, that is the Infinix Note 7. So let's start with the plastic. Cut it off. Now we are in, and that is gone. It doesn't look like we have any extra tape or sticker here, so it's just a matter of getting inside. So let's see what we get here. There's your device. Before I can go further, you can notice this DTS branding on the box. That's just the audio compression technology, and once we are all booted up and set up the device, you'll notice from the notification drop down you can turn it on and off. This is important because the Infinix Note 7 has a dual stereo speaker setup. That means you're using the earpiece as a speaker, as well as the bottom firing speaker as a speaker to get that dual stereo setup. We'll see in the review if that means you have some very good sound. Other than that, you can see this very huge 6.95 inch display, and down there you can see your micro USB port. No USB-C here. And then up top it's very clean. On the side you have your SIM tray, and then on the other side we have one of the distinguishing features of the Note 7, which is the fingerprint sensor embedded on the power on off button. When you're using it, there won't be much change from how you usually use the fingerprint sensor at the back, since it's a natural fit. When you are holding it, it just fits. Up top we have the volume rocker. At the back you have this quad AI camera setup, as they're calling it. It comprises a 48 megapixel main sensor and two other 2 megapixel sensors, and what is also being labeled as an AI lens, because Infinix is big on AI features as far as photography on this device goes. Especially there is quite a lot of buzz about its capabilities in low light scenarios. We'll try and see how that works during our testing period, and report back in the review, which you can look forward to on the blog in the next few days, weeks. So yeah, you've had a good look at the Infinix Note 7, and if you are to go over to the front, you can see you have a punch hole to accommodate the front facing camera. Infinix is calling this the Infinity O. So you have your Infinity O display here, and here's another interesting bit. As you can see here, there is a G70 chipset for high performance gaming. This is the chipset from MediaTek, so the Helio G70 here. We'll take the device through its paces and see if that chipset matches those chops as indicated. The model I have with me here has 4 GB of memory, the RAM that is, and 64 GB of onboard storage, and the color here is forest green, in case you're looking for something similar. There are also other color options. Yes, that is all about the Infinix Note 7 from this unboxing. Let's see what else you get in the box. Here's your warranty card, and let's go. Then you get this small box, which we'll come back to in a bit. here is your charging brick, and then here are your earphones, the standard Infinix earphones. Then here's your charging cable. Coming back to this small box, you have your SIM tray ejection tool for you to pop your SIM card and micro SD card. Then inside we have some paperwork, X Club. Then you get this plastic case. Let's see how it fits on our device. Nice, that's a very good fit. Then surprise, here we have a screen protector. At least they had the courtesy of not pre-applying it, as most device makers do these days. And yes, that looks like everything that we get from the box of the Infinix Note 7. I'm going to set up this device and take it through its paces over the next few days. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.